Morning, guys. I greet you from Pretoria, RBTI Health and Detox. I'd like to talk to you regarding something that I found in diseased people. When I heard it the first time, I didn't buy into it. It took me 20 years of experience to get to it. And that was a book that I got. Dr. Rudy Dalke, Disease as a Symbol. We are a spirit that lives in a soul, and our soul lives in our body. Our spirit don't live in your body. God says, I've got nothing to do with your flesh. Yet He say you should sacrifice your body as a holy pleasing offer. When you need to go to court or do racing, your stomach work. When your kid or your dog die, your heart pain. We've got a heart brain, and we've got a gut brain, and we also got a liver brain. Very interesting. So disease is a symbol. When you got brought up in an orphanage, when your wife ran away with the next door neighbor, when your wife betray you with your brother, etc., or you go bankrupt, it's got a psychological effect on your body that works to the soul. With your right brain, we observe. Then it goes from the right brain to the left brain where we process it. The left brain is a processor. Neurotic people, for instance, is captured in the left brain. So your brain can make you sick. The Bible says, as a man believes in his heart, so it shall be. So when a sick person walks into our office, the first place to look for disease is in a soul body. What is happening in our soul? And a lot of people don't even know what's happening in the soul. That's in the subconscious mind. A gland that we're not allowed to talk to is the pineal gland. Now God says sacrifice your body as a holy pleasing offer, and your pineal is part of your body, so I don't understand why we shouldn't talk about it, why it must be closed. That's a history story. Your pineal must be closed. They pray to close my pineal in church, and I've paid a lot of money in Tibet to get it open with detox and plants. Plant medicine God gave us, the Bible says, Genesis, right through the Bible, to Revelation, Ezekiel, all over the Bible. I'll give you the leaves of the trees as medicine. Now, if your pineal is closed, it's not closed, it's freaking fossilized with chloride, fluoride, mercury, and caffeine. So you can't see with your third eye, your spirit eye. The Bible says, blessed is the man whose eye become light. His body will be light. Not his eyes, his eye. That's his spirit eye. Our pineal is a spiritual eye. Get it open. It's part of your body. People can't sleep at night. If you're not asleep 3 o'clock, you're not going into the spiritual realm, where God says, at nighttime I'll give it to you in the spirit. Daytime I give it to you 3 dimension. So at daytime we see through our eyes. At nighttime we see through our pineal. And if you've got baggage, trauma, drama, it's stored in the subconscious mind. It's fossilized, and that's causing a negative frequency to your brain, and your brain gives a negative frequency to your vagus nerve, and the vagus nerve produces acid for your body, or whatever it produces that causes disease. If you are sick, please look at your soul. I can't put emphasis anymore. Do make a consultation, let's sit and chat. God gave me a gift to talk to people as a primal scream psychologist. I'm registered as a primal scream psychologist. I'm registered as an RBTI doctor. I'm also a qualified pastor. I've got a doctor's degree in theology. And God showed me to combine these things. We're mind, will, and emotions, which is our soul. We're a biological body that's flesh, and we've got a soul body, like the Bible says, and the spirit lives in a soul body. Please give us a call if you'd like an appointment. Talk to us. We make use of the biblical medicines, all the medicines from Tibet we've got here. Boga, telepathy, peyote, bopan, sirinru, changa, kambo, ayahuasca. Medicines is called drugs. Drugs you buy in Dis-Chem. Medicine you get in the field. Thank you, guys. Do give us a call. 081 44 325 34. 081 44
32534. Thank you, guys.